Sorry about that. It kind of cut off on me. But, oh, I actually pushed the button. Sorry about that, guys. Had to cut it right there to sever the 3/4 pipe for the relief valve there, dropping down into a T, which is going into the wall, instead of your 2-inch trap receiving the discharge from it. So, not sure if they're taking out these furnaces here, but they look like they may be alright, but it's up to them. Our water heater here is it's not new enough to leave, so it's pretty old, so we're going to end up taking that out. Alright, so just an update. I'm going to work this out, see if I can get it the new one installed. So, with that being said, until the next time, shalom. Oh yeah, we're still draining good. Still draining. Still pretty heavy, so it'll probably take a little bit.
I know you, but you don't do it.
Yeah, shalom.